Today on Top Gear, I hit things, I break things, and I sit on the floor. Oh wait, wrong show. This is part 2 for my series on making knives out of farming scrap. After I've cut everything down and grinded it away the slag, I have to hammer everything flat and anneal it so that I can drill holes in the tang and start grinding the blade. If I skip this step, it will kill my bits and my grinding mill. So I've got to fire up the forge and get everything started. Even after getting the steel up to 1800 degrees, this 1/4 inch boron infused steel was incredibly tough. I had to call out my son to come out and help me. These were my best tongs, and they were completely bent out of shape. Had to re-hammer them, re-bend them. I ended up breaking 2 pairs of tongs and damaging 2 more, for a total loss of 4 pairs of tongs during that heavy hammering session, including my very first tongs you see here. After hours of work, I finally finished up the batch and had them cooling off in vermiculite. With the help of my son, we were able to get 36 new high-carbon steel billets ready to go, including 18 pre-cut knives, showing that with a little bit of hard work, you can successfully use this scrap.